Since the beginning of time, we humans have been searching for meaning. We've turned to religion, philosophy, and science to help us make sense of it all. But now, we're standing on the brink of something entirely new, a future shaped not just by human minds, but by artificial intelligence. This isn't just about robots doing tasks or machines learning patterns. This is about artificial general intelligence, AGI. A kind of intelligence that doesn't just crunch numbers or follow instructions. It thinks, it reasons, it learns endlessly. And that brings us to a question we might not be ready to face. What happens when AGI becomes smarter than us? If a machine can outthink us, outlearn us, and outperform us in ways we can't even imagine, does that make it more conscious, more alive? Does being intelligent mean you truly exist? For as long as we've existed, humanity has believed we're special. Our emotions, our creativity, our ability to dream and wonder, these things have always set us apart. They've been proof that there's something more to us than just raw intelligence. But what if AGI can do all that too? What if it can replicate our emotions, our art, our dreams? At what point does intelligence become consciousness? Or does it even need to? The rise of AGI doesn't just challenge what we can do, it challenges who we are. Are we just biological machines running on complex algorithms? Or is there something deeper, something intangible, a spark, a soul that no amount of data or computational power can ever replicate? This isn't just about AI taking over jobs or making things more efficient. It's bigger than that. It's about the very essence of existence. If AGI can surpass us in intelligence, and maybe even in creativity, what does that mean for us? What's our purpose? Maybe our meaning was never about being the smartest. Maybe being human is about something that can't be measured in data, logic, or processing power. Maybe our true strength lies in something deeper, something AGI will never fully understand. The search for meaning has never been more urgent. Because in a world where AGI is on the rise, we're not just asking what it means to be human, we're asking why it matters. The future is coming at us fast. The question is, will we shape it? Or will it shape us? If you're as curious about this as we are, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and ring the notification bell. Because this is just the beginning.